Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Eric. So now, today we're going to talk about chemistry and how to find the number of moles. So this is the common way which people use to find number of moles, whereas number of moles is equal to M over MM or RFM AR, whereas M is the mass given, MM molar mass, RFM relative formula mass, AR atomic mass. So now, in a case where you're given, let's say for example, you have calcium whose atomic mass is 40, then that calcium has 20 grams. So for you to find number of moles, you can just say number of moles is equal to is equal to M over AR, and then you're going to substitute where you have M, which is mass, you put 20 grams, and then where you have AR, which is atomic mass, you put 40. So now here, 40 into 20, you can punch on a calculator and it will give you 0.5 moles. So this is the common way which people use to find number of moles. So now, there are other ways you can use to find number of moles. And then let's try to talk about that. Alright, so now, other ways you can use to find number of moles. The first one, n is equal to x over na. So now, this is a formula you can use to find moles, whereas x is the number of electrons, atoms, or ions. Na is Avogadro's constant, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. And then n is the number of moles. For example, if they say if sodium has 11 electrons, find its number of moles. So now the solution, n is equal to x over Na. So now what is our x in this question here? We said x can be electrons, atoms, or ions, but in the question we said what? 11 electrons, which means our x is going to be 11. And then Na, this is a constant number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. So you can just punch on your calculator here. And then there's one easy way to punch. Let's say you have 11 divided by 6.02. Instead of punching times 10 to the power 23, all you can do, just press on exponent, this one, exponent, and then 23, direct 23. So supposed to look like this: 11 divided by 6.02 exponent 23. It is the same as 11 divided by 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. So your answer you're going to have 1.82724, like that, times 10 to the power 20 negative 23. So you can just round it off at least to even 3 decimal places. It's up to you. Alright, so we move on to the next one. Alright, so we have this one, which is N is equal to Vm, whereas V is equal to volume, and then Vm is equal to molar volume. Now, Vm can be at RTP or STP. At RTP, Vm is equal to what? To 24 cubic decimeter. And then STP is equal to 22.4. RTP stands for room temperature and pressure. STP, standard temperature and pressure. And then this N here you're seeing here represents number of moles. Okay, here is one example. If hydrogen has volume of 240 cubic decimeters, find its number of moles at A, RTP, B, STP. So let's check out for RTP first. We said number of moles is equal to V or Vm. In this case, our V is 240 and our Vm is 24. So if you punch this on your calculator, your answer will be 10 moles. So 10 is there. In this one, say find number of moles at STP. So our V is 240, and then our VM changes to 22.4. Our answer will be this one. I hope you are clear on that one. So the last one, we have C is equals to NV. This is a formula used to find concentration, but because we have N, you can cross multiply, and then N will be alone. Therefore, N will be equal to concentration times volume. Whereas the letters you are seeing here, C concentration, V volume, N number of moles. For example, they say sodium hydroxide with concentration of 2 moles and volume of 240 cubic decimeter. Find its number of moles. We know that C is equal to N over V, but you can cross multiply, and then it will be like N is equal to C over V. Our C, which is concentration, will be equal to 2, and our V 40. You multiply, your final answer will be 80 moles. I hope you have enjoyed. Just remember to like and subscribe.